Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in today. So today we were working on the slow bolt, primarily because the headlight keeps going out on the driver's side and stays on the passenger side. They're brand new bulbs, so there's absolutely nothing wrong with them. But what it is I did some further digging, some further investigation, that the plug that the headlight plugs into is burnt out. And when that burnt out is it started melting, so the connection isn't as strong and tight as it should be. For some weird reason, maybe the metal connector rubbed up against it as it was getting hot and started melting it. It is no longer that strong connection, so now it just moves every time she hits a bump, on off, on off, on off. So that could be a problem that you're facing as well. So always just check. It could be the bulb, but also it could be the stinking plug. If you're trying to chase down the thing and you think it's an electrical issue, just check the plug, pop it open, take a look. You know what I mean? Alright, let's get to it. Alright, so first things first, remove the headlight. Now some headlights are easy to get off and some aren't so much. This one is fairly easy, but some you have to, and I hate it. So you have to take off the whole bumper just to get to the damn headlight, just to change a bulb or whatnot. That's annoying. Alright, so delving on in Alright, so here's our plug, and what the issue is, see how I can't remove that. So see how it's all burnt to a crisp in there? If you take a closer look, it's all black in the center of it and whatnot. So I tried putting dielectric grease in there at one point to make the connection a little bit stronger and whatnot, and that seemed to fail. So I went online, I got the plug for it, I'm gonna cut, solder it in, and hopefully this should solve the issue. I think it will. Alrighty, so that's out of the way. So for this car, 2010 Chevy Cobalt, 85811 Dorman. Really cheap online. I got it for like $2 and change off of Amazon. Only 3 wires. I go to the back of this, so less soldering I have to do. So let's see here. First things first, I want to make sure it plugs in. Perfect, it does. Another thing I just noticed is that if you take a look at this new one, the gasket is styrofoam, and then the old one is a rubber. Looks like rubber. Yeah, it is rubber. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick off this really, waterproof gasket here, and I'll put it on the rubber gasket off of this one before I plug it back in. So what you want to do is you want to, before you do anything, match them up. So side by side, looking good. Plugs into the other plug, and then you're gonna see here how you got orange all the way to the left, you got black in the middle, which is the ground, and then you got purple all the way to the right. So you're gonna make sure that when you cut this and you cut in the new ones, that you're gonna put them in the right way, or else obviously it's not gonna work. Alright, so now first things first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut the wire. Make sure you have enough, where you cut, so that that one has enough to go on to be able to reach the plug. So I'm not gonna go too deep. I'm just gonna go right here, because we can always just bunch and coil it up in the back. Alright. And now the most favorite part is always knowing that you're done, and you can shrink up the connections. All set. Nothing's getting in those puppies. This is all set, ready to go in. Let's put it all back together. Alright, pretty simple. As you took them out, put it right back in. Be careful how you bunch up the wires. Like I said, now I have a little bit of excess. You can zip tie them up. Perfect. That's it. See how quick and simple that was? That's all you have to do. Now the headlight's fixed, or at least it should be fixed. Let me go make sure. Let's see here. And we kicking over here. We are kicking. I don't know if you can even see that. We are on. That headlight's on. Oopsies. That headlight's on. We're good, so no more bumpy roads, knocking anything off. You know, turning all that shit off. And perfect. All right. That is it. You guys just have to be careful because you never know. You can be chasing something so simple as just cutting the plug off and putting on a good one, since this one, it was all nasty and burnt out in the center. Even with dielectric grease, it could not help this one. This one was too far gone. It was dead. So now hitting the bumps, this should not be causing any concerns or issues anymore. You'll be able to see at nighttime now without one eye light on or getting pulled over by the police. Alright, so now we're just going to do some lights real quick, you know what I mean? So we got a brake light out on this, the Camry, we got a directional on the Cobalt, and we have a fog light out on the Fusion. I don't know why they all happen at once. So, beside myself, I think it's this bulb in the Camry's trunk. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to record it right there when I press the brake and come back to it to see, why did it lock itself? On. Alright. Press brake. Alright. Now let's go back here. And pause the video. Come back here. And let's rewatch the video. Fast mode. Alrighty. Looks like nada. Alright, so it's this bulb right here. It's pretty easy to get to most cars. You get the hatch in the trunk. You just take it, peel it open, pop it out. Now that that's out, pull that out. I really think that I have a couple of these bulbs in here, so I don't have to open up a new package. I really do think. Let's see here. What's this one? Oh boy, okay, we're all falling. Alright, let's see here. Alright, that's in there now. Now we're gonna come back. Let's see here. I'm gonna record this like I did last time. Video, record up. Have it face the bulb, please. Hit record. Alright, we're gonna go now. Press the brake pedal again. Alright, let's come back now. Watch the video. Let's see here. Hit record. Alright. Works, perfect. This looks like it goes in like this. Let's see. Oh, there you go. You just gotta take your time. Alright, now that's done. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna head over to the Cobalt and we're gonna do the directional on that one. So alright, so it's not as easy as the other one. This one is gonna need bolts to take out. Uh-oh. Okay. Once you do that. And then apparently on this car there's gonna be a bolt on the inside that needs to be removed as well in order to pop it out. So let's see here. Alright, now that, oh yeah, off. Now this should come out nice. Perfect. And then what was wrong? The
blinker.
The direction
scared me.
Okay, so this was your issue right here. So bring it in here so I don't scratch the bumper. Remove this. I think we got that. Let's go take a look. There's a little bit of black in there. See that? If you'll see, I don't think you'll see, but there's a little bit of black haze and shadow in there. That's usually a sign that it's gone.
It's going.
Yeah, or gone. All right, perfect. Now let me know what we got here. Let me know if the brake works and the directional works. Brake, ready?
Works.
Directional.
Works.
Now, just come back in here. Tighten this back up. All right, now we're gonna change the fog light on this Fusion. This one here has the skid plate underneath it, so it's gonna be a little bit more of a longer time to do it, but still not long. Okay, this is the bat bulb. It's got a little bit of some hazing down the bottom. And this is the new bulb. This is the ones you don't want to touch with your hands. The directionals and the tail lights, reverse lights, doesn't matter. These ones, the oils on your hands will blow them fairly quickly. All right. And twist it. We're in. Now the plug. Perfect, that's in. Now, time to test it out before I button it all back up. Perfect, that's on. The other one's on, headlights are on. Perfect. Perfect, and that's how you pretty much you change. Let's see, we got a fog light, we got a tail light, and we have a headlight bulb, well, the headlight harness. So you always want to check that. It could be like, you know, might not even be the bulb. Looks like it's the bulb, but it could be the wire harness plug itself, or it could be something even deeper of a problem. So, you know, good luck. So thank you for watching. You guys do you. Like, share, subscribe, and have a fantastic night.